In this video, I'm going to show you how to create bundle products in your WooCommerce store. First, log in to your WordPress website. On your WordPress website homepage, in the left navigation bar, look for an option labeled Products. Hover over the option until you see more options pop up. Then left-click on Add New from the list. This will take you to the Add New Product page, where you can add new products. To add a new product, first enter the name of the product in the name box. For this example, we will type laptop as our product name. Below the name box, enter your description, which gives a brief knowledge about the product. Simply type the description here. Above the dialog box, you have options to change the text. You can make it bold or italic, and also align the text using these options. Simply left-click on the appropriate option. On top of these settings, you have an option to add different media such as images, PDFs, and forms. Below this section, you have a product data section. Here, from the drop-down menu, select Grouped Product. The settings below will change. Now, you have an option to set the SKU of the product. Simply type the SKU into the dialog box. In the left navigation bar, the next option is Linked Products. In this section, you have two boxes. Here, you can type the names of the products you want to add as a bundle. Simply left-click the first box and type the name of the product you added to the WooCommerce store. It will appear here. Left-click on it to select it. Do the same for the next option. Below this section, you have a product short description section. Here, you can add a short description that appears right below the product on your product page before the main description we added earlier. Simply left-click on the dialog box and type. You can also add media to this description. Now, on the right side of the page, you have more options. The first option is Set Product Image. Left-click on the Set Product Image link to set the image. Next, you have product categories. Here, you can set the category your product lies in. Now to save all these changes, simply scroll up and left-click Publish button to publish your product.